Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I prepare a simple dinner at home and how I made my garlic buttered mackerel. I put in the description box below on how to make the other dishes I prepare on this video. Let's start. Fried mackerel, I use salted mackerel in pack. You can find this in any Korean mart near you because I couldn't find fresh mackerel from the market. I cut the mackerel in half because my frying pan is not that big. Sprinkled some black pepper to add some flavor on my mackerel. Also added some seasoning to add more flavor on the mackerel. Mackerel is ready, so let's start frying. On a frying pan, add some generous amount of oil. I use pure olive oil on this recipe. You can use any kinds of oil of your choice. Wait until the oil boils and start frying the flavored mackerel. Flip the mackerel not to burn each side and then fry until golden brown. Once it's ready, move them on a plate. I love to add some fried garlic on top of my fried mackerel. So while cooling the mackerel, let's prepare the garlic butter. In a small frying pan, I add some butter, and try to half melt the butter, and I start adding the chopped garlic. Continue stirring using low heat. Fry the garlic until golden brown. Using a strainer, I separate the garlic from the butter because I will use only the fried garlic. Now the garlic is ready, and sprinkle it on top of the fried mackerel. Now the fried mackerel with garlic butter is ready. So let's prepare the other dish and serve dinner. I paired the garlic buttered mackerel with other side dishes. I put in the description box below the link on how I made these side dishes I put on this video. These are homemade food, homemade kimchi, homemade pickled, and also the tofu and other side dishes. Hope you will try it someday. Please give me a like, comment down below, and please subscribe on my channel. See you again next time. Bye bye.